Hi everyone, nice to see you. I'm Barbara and today I'm going to explain you the parts of the journal article. To do that, I have this example of the journal article that is about procrastination. Okay, let's start uh, with the abstract of the journal article. Okay, the abstract should provide the context or background or the story and should state the objectives of the study, the basic procedures, the main results, the main conclusions, and the sources of funding. The summary should highlight new and important aspects or observations arising from the study. Okay. Um, let's continue with the introduction. Okay. Abstract basically is a summary. Okay, it's a summary. Introduction is the second part. The introduction should state the context or background of the study and state the specific purpose or objective of the research or the hypothesis being tested in the study or observation. Often research is most clearly focused when it is stated as a question. Okay, but in this introduction we have 3 points. Okay, we have the point 1. We have the point 1.1 goal-related interventions for procrastination. We have the point 1.2 procrastination and goal, and we have the point 1.3 the current study, and we have the third part of the journal article, that is method. Okay, respecting the method section should include only the information that was available when the study plan or protocol was written. All information obtained during the study process should appear in the results section. Okay, and we have another part that is design and procedure. Okay, and we have more points. Okay, as you can see, we have more points in the method part. Okay, and we have the part number 4, that is the results. Okay, present the results following a logical sequence in the text, tables, and illustrations, highlighting the most important findings first. Do not repeat data from tables or illustrations. In the text, highlighting or summarize only the most important observations. Extra or supplementary annex materials and technical details can be placed in annex, where they can be consulted so as not to interrupt the sequence of the text. Otherwise, they can be published only in the electronic version of the journal. Okay, we have the results in percents of the different methods that were used in this journal article. Okay, we have tables too. Okay, we have points too. Okay, and we have the let's go to the we have the last part. I think yes, it's the last part. Is the discussion part. Highlight the most novel and important aspects to the study and the conclusions drawn from them, contextualizing them in the context of the most accessible evidence. Do not repeat in detail data or the material that appears in the introduction or in the results section. In the case of experimental studies, it is useful to begin the discussion by briefly summarizing in the main results, then explore the possible mechanisms or explanations for these findings. Compare and contrast the results with those of other relevant studies. Expose the limitations of the study and explore the implications of the results for future research and clinical practice. Relate the conclusions to the objectives of the study, avoiding making sweeping statements and drawing conclusions that are not adequately supported by the data. Okay? And we have more points and we have another methods. Okay, the applications. And I think, oh, yes, in this part we have the, as you can see, as you can see, we have the tables. This is the table number 1, and we have all of the methods that are used to make the analysis of the results. Okay, and we have the references. We have 2 pages of references, and this is all of my video. I hope that you liked it so much, and thanks for seeing my video, and see you soon.